Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Lamb, a board-certified doctor with over 43 years' experience. You may recognize me from hundreds of television appearances like The View, articles published in print like the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal, or you may know me as the best-selling author of books such as The Hardness Factor, No Guts, No Glory, Younger at Last, and Thinner at Last. I'm also a faculty member at the NYU Medical Center, as well as a clinician and researcher. I'm here to talk to you about something that often goes overlooked when it comes to your health as a man, and that's your sexual health. Millions of men across the country suffer from a decline in sexual health as they age and don't really know where to turn for help. As an avid researcher in preventative remedies, I'm always looking for new solutions to help men regain their libido, increase their desire, and improve their sexual performance and overall sexual health. Prescription medication is reserved for men with advanced erectile difficulties. However, the formulation of the all-natural Vigrx Plus has been clinically proven to help men improve their sexual health as they age. As a respected member of the medical community, I'm very cautious about what I recommend to people. I have to research everything about it before I feel comfortable making it available to my patients. The published clinical studies on Vigrx Plus are very impressive. Ingredients such as epimedium leaf extract, ginkgo biloba, and red ginseng all have years of research behind them, showing their ability to improve men's sexual health. I would recommend to any man who wants to improve their sexual health and performance to try Vigrx Plus and take advantage of this powerful formulation that has been proven to produce results.
Since taking Vigrx Plus, I've noticed that when I go out with my girlfriend, I don't know what's going on with me, but a lot of other women are taking interest, and that has brought her so much closer to me. So it's been a lot of fun.
The Vigrx Plus has made me so confident in myself that it actually has become so natural for me to feel good about so many different things I didn't feel as good about before, that it's absolutely wonderful.
I switched to Vigrx Plus, and it's given me more of a sex drive than ever before, and I can't complain. At first I felt unconfident. I wasn't sure that I was going to keep my girlfriend long enough.
I think since taking Vigrx Plus, it has given me some sort of strange power that I have no control over, and my sexual power is out there for all women to see and take notice.
Vigrx Plus is so amazing. It's like the ultimate intense feeling, the ultimate intense arousal, the ultimate intense sexual experience that my girlfriend and I have ever had.
Since I've been using Vigrx Plus, my sex life has gone through the roof. I'm ready to go all the time.
Since it was so good, the Vigrx individuous oil was so good and it proved so much to me, I said, well, let me try the Vigrx Plus and see what my experience is, and that's it.
It was more boost. It gave me more oomph into my sex drive compared to the regular Vigrx. The Vigrx Plus has some of these natural ingredients that really given more of a punch to my sex drive.
The biggest part about the Vigrx Plus is that it's natural. My girlfriend and I are very much into eating healthy. We're very much into living a healthy lifestyle, and that was one of the biggest kickers about any product for any reason, is that it's natural. And the fact that Vigrx Plus is absolutely natural makes me 100% confident, my girlfriend 100% confident, and makes everything better because you feel good about what you're taking.
I'm really not into taking pills, and really cautious of what I put in my body. But since I was told that Vigrx Plus had more natural ingredients and more natural stuff that was inside of it, I was willing to give it a try. Since taking Vigrx Plus, my renewed interest in sex has brought me and my girlfriend a lot closer. It's as if we met each other for the first time, and we're just really having a great time together right now.